I'm gonna give you guys 4 good reasons why you should start drinking lemon water today. What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and today we are going to talk about a couple reasons why you might want to start drinking lemon water. Reason number 1, lemons are loaded with vitamin C. And of course, we all know that vitamin C is wonderful for the immune system, and it can help you fight off colds and flus, as well as other diseases. Reason number 2, potassium. This is one of the most important minerals for the body, and lemon water is a great way to be getting this into your diet. Reason number 3, lemon water helps counter kidney stones. It will help stop the body from forming them, as well as help you break them down. And reason number 4, lemon water helps fight inflammation. Although lemons are acidic, it actually has an alkalizing effect on the body. And when you alkalinize the body and balance your pH, then you can reduce inflammation. Okay, so those are my 4 good reasons why you should start drinking lemon water. If you guys have other reasons why lemon water is beneficial, please leave those in the comments below. If you got value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.